Okay, in this problem, we want to find the mean, and we're given the data and frequency. This is group data, though there's only one value, so it's group per just one value. So you want to download, if you haven't already, the group data descriptive statistics spreadsheet that I've placed into the course. And I got one, frequency is 1, 2, 2, 5. Now notice what I'm doing. Since that one only appears once in the data, you had to put it in both the lower class and upper class. The next one is 3, so put it in lower class and upper class, and our frequency is 8, 4, 4, 12, 5, 5, 15, 6, 6, 17, 7, 7, 20, 8, 8, 2, 9, 9, 3, 10, 10, 1. Okay, let me double check all that. 1, 5, 8, 12, 15, 17, 20, 2, 3, 1, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 10. Okay, so asking us to find a mean. So our mean is going to be 5.39286, and then you round as appropriate.